Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with Mongoose and Sales in node.js. The issue at hand revolves around a scenario where data stored in a reference field returns null instead of the expected ID. This problem can be quite frustrating and tricky to solve, especially when dealing with older records. In terms of the solution, the key insight lies in the fact that the issue stems from soft deletes implemented using the Mongoose delete plugin. By identifying this crucial detail, we can understand why the object is not being retrieved as expected. By recognizing the impact of the soft delete functionality, we can take the necessary steps to address the problem effectively. Solution aside, it's essential to always remain attentive to the nuances of dependencies and plugins when working on projects. In this case, being aware of the implications of soft deletes can save you a great deal of time and effort in troubleshooting similar issues in the future. Remember, attention to detail is key in the world of development. To wrap things up, we've shed light on a common issue faced when using Mongoose and Sales, delving into the solution involving soft deletes and data retrieval. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave a comment with your thoughts or any questions you may have. Until next time, happy coding.